I've come here to commemorate the martyrdom of Imam Hussein alayhi salam and his companions and the members of his family. I experienced something that you don't really experience on an everyday level in today's world, and it was an experience which enlightened my soul and actually helped me to become more confident in my belief and my love of Imam Hussein alayhi salam, and it actually strengthened my faith. And quite often we hear a lot of people complain about Azadari and its acts, and they say that it makes Islam look bad, but actually it doesn't make Islam look bad at all. And the only people that have a problem with it is not on the outside, the Western world, it's actually coming from within, and this unity comes from within with people who don't want to do forms of Azadari, saying that other people that do want to do forms of Azadari, they should do them. But actually, if you don't want to do them and you don't want to take part, that's fine, but don't try and stop others from showing their love for Imam Hussein alayhi salam. Inshallah, always. It's such a huge part of my new year. Muharram is the new year for us Muslims, and it's the best way to start the year, to start renewing your faith and your allegiance to Imam Hussein alayhi salam. And I pray and ask Allah, inshallah, that He gives me the ability to come every year and renew my allegiance to Imam Hussein alayhi salam.